Hello everyone, first we're gonna grab some hair at the back and then adding this clip. Then we're gonna add some more hair in our clip from the middle and the sides, and now we're gonna fold all of the hair at the top into a bun and adding this clip at the top. Next, we're gonna take a high ponytail, folding it out into a round shape bun, and then we're gonna add this beautiful clip to it. You can add any accessories as per your choice. Next, we're going to take some hair at the back, adding some rubber bands, then folding it once. After that, we're going to just expand it, and then we are going to tie them together like this. Then add any clip as per your choice. Here we have added this purple clip. Next, we're going to take a low ponytail, adding this blue clutcher and then folding it out into inwards direction, and your beautiful low bun is ready. Next, we are going to take some hair at the back. First, we are going to twist it and joining it with this clip. Then grabbing some more hair from the sides like this and from the ends as well. We're going to convert them into braids and folding them to the opposite sides, and you are done with your hairstyle. Next, we're going to take this pony. Underneath it, we're going to add this clip and then taking the remaining hair, folding it out into a bun. You can secure it with any bobby pin or clips. Next, we are going to add this clip on our hair, then taking some hair, folding it out and then joining it with our clip. Taking the hair from the sides as well and joining them to the opposite sides, and you are done. Next, we're going to take a ponytail and then underneath it we're going to add this beautiful crystal blue color clip and passing it to the one side. Then taking the remaining hair at the top and making this loose bun. Next, we are going to add a clip at one side, adding some hair in that as well from the sides like this and making this beautiful pattern. After it is ready, we're going to take the remaining hair, making a braid, folding it out with the hair like this and securing it. Next, we're going to take some hair and then securing it at the back, dividing it into the two ponytails and then folding the ponies into opposite direction like this, and then we are going to complete this bun by adding these beautiful crystal clips. Next, we're going to start by taking a strand of hair, adding it with this clip, and then we're going to join some more hair strands into our clip like this, and now you are done with your hairstyle and it's looking so good. Next, we're going to take all of the hair and by using our finger, we're going to convert it into a straight bun. At the end, we're going to add this clutcher to enhance its look, and it is ready.